Hello, for today's activity, you will be making a Poplet, which is an interactive flowchart or mind mapping tool to demonstrate how convection currents, continental drift, seafloor spreading, and plate tectonics are related. Now, this is going to be a pretty extensive presentation because it will integrate many of the ideas about plate tectonics that we talked about throughout this unit, as well as add in some of the content that we talked about from the previous unit with convection currents, continental drift, seafloor spreading, which in fact are all elements of plate tectonics. So when you think about creating a concept map or a flowchart, things to keep in mind in general, you must show relationships between the ideas. So you'll need to include text, and let me just open the Poplet to maybe further give you an example. So here's what the general format of the Poplet looks like. When you're ready, you'll hit create a new Poplet, and I have too many made already, so I'm actually going to open up one that I have here for you. And what's really nice about the Poplet tool is that it's very easy to use. So you can see I'm zooming out. I have one box right now, and really it just says, gives an explanation of, again, of what the activity we're looking at. So make a concept map. And I started this earlier, but all you need to do to add a new box with text is just double click anywhere. I can zoom out a little bit, and I can click and add text in the box. You can add really as much text or as little text. I can make my box bigger. You saw I just added a box here just by clicking on the tool or on the circle on the side, and I can actually connect the boxes together. Another really neat feature of the Poplet is the ability to change the box color. You can change the text size and orientation a little bit. You can also draw in the text box. And lastly, you can add YouTube videos, and you can also upload your own images from your computer onto the Poplet itself. So as you're working on creating your map, I would like you to incorporate some videos as well as pictures to help elaborate on the ideas that you're talking about. Now, this is a concept map, so I don't want you defining every single thing that you're going to have in the boxes. Honestly, in this case, sometimes less text is more because it makes it very difficult to read if you're writing entire definitions, an entire piece of content in one little box. So I would recommend, if you have a lot to write, try to shorten it and maybe expand it into several boxes to help show the relationship of the ideas that you're looking at. So as you're working, keep in mind that you can zoom out and you can zoom in and move around the screen where you need to. Please ask questions if you have any, if there's anything you need as you're just trying to construct your boxes, as well as just content related questions, maybe how do convection currents actually relate to the plates, things like that. So that's pretty much part one of the activity in a nutshell. I hope you enjoy the tool itself. I think it's really fun to use, so enjoy, and I'm looking forward to look at your Poplets.